Spook, did
What?
you wreck that paint job?
No, I didn't.
Hey there.
Hey.
Wow. That's something.
That's pretty orange.
That is really orange. It looks like a peanut M&M.
Should see that in sunlight.
Oh, man.
In fact, well, actually, we'll take a piece out.
I was going to say, you must have a small piece we could take out. Wow.
Do you want to talk about what's going on first? Or
yeah.
It's up to you.
Wow. Yeah.
So what do you guys want to do on YouTube? Answer in the comments. So this, I dragged this out of the booth yesterday, or today. I shot this.
Mm-hmm.
And still haven't really gotten a name for it because I wanted to see it out in the sunlight. We've got some really good suggestions from our guys over on YouTube.
Yeah.
So,
most of them, it looked like it was red in the can.
Almost.
So most of the names kind of looked red.
Yeah, it was like a tomato paste is what people were thinking.
Yeah.
But the camera really doesn't do it justice.
No.
This is an orange. This is almost Tennessee orange.
Oh my.
So
that's true.
we've got some sags and some drips and some runs. And
Did you ruin it? Oh no.
No, I didn't ruin it. It's going to take a little bit of spooky love.
Oh my! All right. So
So
can we do a video when you fix it?
yeah, in fact, I'll even do a voiceover on it so I can explain what I'm doing.
Okay.
So we've done that video before.
Yeah.
But we figured we'd do it again because this happened. So
And a voiceover, yeah.
a perfect paint job is one giant sag that just falls off the bottom of the car. I didn't quite get that perfect of a paint job. So right here, so this is the anatomy of a run. I got too much material, probably up in here, and it just flowed, and you can see the edge of it there. So I'm going to be taking off a few microns.
Okay.
Well, a few millimeters. And then there's another one. So got a little one here, not that big of a deal. And then from about here all the way to here.
Let's see if we can get that. I don't know.
Let me get a flashlight.
Oh wait, there's one. Okay, that one we can see. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you can, with the okay, wait. If I angle it so they can see from the lights above,
there you
can
go.
See where it is. Oh, wait, that's too bright. Wait. Okay, yeah. See?
You see all that, guys?
Yeah. Ooh, that's bad.
It's not bad. So yes, this paint job can be saved.
Okay.
And then I've got a little bit too much material right here. But
oh yeah.
not a big deal.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit another day, and then I'll start cutting on this thing.
All right, so it has no clear yet, right?
Oh, this is all clear.
Oh, okay.
This has got 4 coats of clear on it.
Woo! Is that where the sag happened?
Sag actually happened in the second layer. Since
clear.
everything's chemically bonded,
Uh-huh.
it all becomes one giant layer. So
Yeah.
I got to let it outgas for. I usually like to do it for about 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours, because the paint is still so soft.
Yeah.
That
like you don't wanna, right.
literally by touching it,
yeah.
I've left an imprint in the paint. So it's
no.
a little
don't
too.
touch it.
It's a little too soft to
But you
actually
also don't
work
want
with.
it to go too long.
No, because then it's just rock hard and it's
Yeah.
just screw that. So I'm prepping this to go into the booth after I go clean the booth. So this is the back side of these panels.
Okay.
And I should get these shot today. And then I'm going to hold these just like that while I polish the car. And then about probably 2 to 3 days before I finish polishing the car, I'll shoot these again. And then by that time, these will be ready to cut on the front side.
Great.
So I do have a piece on here.
Oh, goody.
Oh, it's supposed to be a nice day again.
That would be nice.
Well, at least it's above 7. So it's a little dirty.
Okay, let's see if we can. Ooh.
You can see the little blingies.
Yeah, it's sparkling.
So I won't tell you how much it's got. We definitely did change the color.
Yeah. So it's not stock.
Oh, God, no. It's based off a stock color.
Right.
But, yeah. Come on in.
Cool. All right. Well, what else is going on?
Raccoons are slowly destroying my ceiling. I've got to get an exterminator
Anybody
out
want
here.
a pet?
So, hey, you know, if you know any good ideas on how to get rid of raccoons besides calling size, call me. Because I'm about ready to take my BB gun up into the roof.
Blah, blah, blah. No.
About ready to. They're destroying my building. So there's Mr. Cabral. We got a couple odds and ends done. We still got to do. They've got to get the shift linkage in, the shift cable linkage in because it was the wrong one.
Oh.
So we actually had a spare bus.
Wait.
Oh.
Look at that. Did you do this?
No.
Oh, okay. This came from SoFine?
Yeah, that's SoFine. Mr. Range's interior that came in yesterday.
Look at that.
Nice flooded.
I just
That's
pulled one out to look
amazing.
at it, yeah. It's just final, but
Really
it
pretty.
looks all right.
Yeah.
It's going to match good with the door cards and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
definitely.
yeah, we sent them over as paint samples so they could kind of match the color.
Oh, that's cool.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
Great.
So
Good job, Carol.
Yay.
those came in yesterday, and we got some seat frame customizing. If you can believe we're going to customize something on Range.
What?
Well,
We didn't know exactly which
Everything.
interior we were going to run with when we did this. So this is a 73 Beetle Pan that we took out the original rails. But when we ordered the carpet kit, we told them that the pan is a 73 because we didn't want to chew up the original pan,
Yeah.
and the car is a 54 or 52.
52, yeah.
And so Carol's just kind of like scratching her head. It's like, how does that work? So that's how we did it. So when they set out those free seat frames, they sent it out for the later model car.
Oh.
So we're gonna have to do a little bit of fabrication.
So translation to the interior guy is now I can't put the carpet in until I put these new
Gotcha.
these seat brackets in because I have to go around it.
You
So,
have learned to speak spookies, haven't you?
yeah, translation. So that's holding that. That's going to hold that up, and that's not a big
Okay.
deal. At least we got those, so we can start working on that.
Oh,
But
sure, yeah.
And we do have a canvas ordered from Grumpy's, so that should be
Did
that should
you
be
find one the whole thing, or
yeah.
I mean pre-made top?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you said when you talked to me last time, you didn't know if he had it or if he was
Yeah,
going to. So that's cool. So we were waiting on that. And what had happened is they ran out of the material that we were originally going to do, and
Oh,
blah,
yeah.
blah, blah. So we found one. So that was holding up me putting the headliner in because I can't put the headliner in until I put the rear piece on to a rag. I got to build the rag first, put it on, and then put that on, then I put the headliner in, and then we can start doing this, put glass in. So it's one thing holding up another, but nickel holding up $1.
Yeah,
We still
yeah.
don't have a front windshield.
And
Oh,
yeah.
where's that coming from?
Well, the story on that was we had to make a pattern for the glass. Obviously, because some glass you can buy forever, but these are hard. So we had to make a
Yeah.
pattern. We took it to Ed.
Okay.
Ed took it to a glass place, and they lost it.
Oh, no.
So now I got to take the actual windshield back down to Ed. So yeah, the original windshield back
Right.
down to Ed, so he can make a pattern for that, so he can take it to the glass place, so they can cut the glass because
Wow.
it's flat glass, so they can cut it
Yeah.
out of regular glass, but they have to have the
true.
exact pattern.
Are you feeling like you're stuck in Groundhog Day?
So yeah, so we're going to do that. We got the little gas tank back, and it's going to get mounted there. He's fixing to paint the cap and do some special stuff on the big old cap there. So it's not mounted in there, but it's just sitting there so we could line it up and see where it was going to line
Sure.
up. So it looks good.
Very nice.
And so Ranges, he's coming like when we get all the little things fixed.
It's all
I
gonna
imagine
go
it's going to
fast.
go pretty
Yeah.
quick, yeah, because we
We
got
also-
everything
We
here.
also have some custom badging coming from Adam.
Oh, great.
Oh God, what's his name? I forgot. He's out of California. He custom makes some of the badges we're going to use, like the Wolfsburg crest. We're doing it with the emblem and then like horn grills and that kind of stuff.
wow.
So
Isn't one of the sets of the hood deals we were making for this now we
Yeah.
decided? So we had out there on Herbie, they had some custom billet aluminum hood hinges that
Oh,
were,
wow.
were cut out, and we're actually having some custom ones made for him with a logo and everything. So those will be
Okay.
coming in. We're gonna put those in.
Great.
Just kind of got that idea off there, and that'd be good. So
Wonderful.
that's Mr. Range. The whole
All
thing's
right.
moving on him.
Ooh, looks like you got a headliner going here.
Well, I was out yesterday, so I was not feeling good. So I didn't get a lot of it.
as moms and wives will say, you had a stomach bug.
Oh.
Yeah, which is still going on, but I'm here, so
Ugh.
we'll see how it goes. Yeah. I told them if I disappear, then they know where I'm at. I'm gone.
Let it be, yeah.
But yeah, so this I'm gonna get back on it today, and it's just we had that cold snap, and you can't
Yeah.
get it when it's cold, so it's gonna be 60-something degrees today, so I can get this back in.
Great.
He's working on that.
All right.
Hey, Junior.
What's
Show 'em
going
what you're
on?
doing.
All right. Well, I mean, we're back where we were last week.
Uh-huh. With the panel needing...
Yeah, we will.
Hey, it doesn't bulge out
I
anymore.
welded it up and got it sunk back in where it needs to be.
Nice. You persuaded it.
Yeah, I did the back corner this morning.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Getting it pulled together and everything seated as far as fender wells go
Okay.
across the fuel tank tray and all that good stuff, trying to pull it all together and get it where it's supposed to be. So slow process, definitely, but it's coming along pretty good. I made good headway yesterday, so
That's
I'm definitely
fantastic.
tickled about that.
It's
For
looking good.
sure. Yeah, it's definitely coming along. So
That's amazing
Just-
how you're able to just like get that steel to go where you want it to go.
yeah. I mean, thank God it's thin. It's a lot easier that way.
That's true. That's
A
true.
little bit difficult to manipulate thicker steel, but this
Sure.
is definitely easy to work with, and as far as making it do what you want it to do.
Right. Now
So-
tell us about the new toy we're getting.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna get a multi-process machine. It'll do anything from AC TIG to DC stick. I mean MIG. It's gonna come with all our accessories, and we'll be fully capable of doing any type of material. Period.
Nice.
As far as welding and fabrication. So a lot of what I'm hoping is that we'll transition to a lot of our custom stuff will be made out of aluminum. One, the lightweight. Two, the anti-corrosiveness. So that's going to be really key to a lot of our success in the future as far as the fabrication goes, is a lot of aluminum parts being able to be done here.
Fantastic.
So I'm super excited.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah,
Good.
it'll be
When
great.
does it get here?
I'm not sure. I hadn't talked to Darren. I think Sexton called yesterday, or
Yeah,
Monday.
Spook gave it to Doc, who's cutting the check, and then we're gonna see if they can deliver, if we gotta go pick it up.
Oh, okay.
Well, no, they should deliver because we got to get another bottle of gas anyway.
That's okay. I hope they deliver it. I mean,
For that kind of money.
exactly.
Yeah, really.
They can make dinner.
I mean, Lowe's delivers $300 over.
When they were talking about it, they were gonna throw some stuff in. And I wanted to make sure they were throwing it.
Oh, okay.
If we don't go there, maybe we don't get to throw in. I don't know that,
Oh.
but that's kind of where I was at on that.
Oh.
Ah. All right.
So what else we got going on, guys?
We got a couple things out here on the way out.
All right. Sounds good.
Fonseca, we did a little work.
Shannon here today?
Yeah, he's in there building
motor for Fonseca.
Aha.
She's
There, oh, yeah.
finished building it.
Ah.
Hey, what are you building?
I am working on getting Fonseca's motor ready for his rail buggy. Slowly getting it together, having to.
What size engine we doing?
It's what came on. I believe he's 1600. I believe is what he had on. We're just cleaning it up and
Yeah.
redoing a few things, getting it ready because that rail's been powder coated on, so we got to make it look good.
Great. All right.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're back home. So we got some things moved around here, I think, since last week. This
Yeah.
wasn't out here yet, was it?
This was over there.
Yeah, so we got these moved out because it's gonna be a while we're moving that. So we got his front brakes, the calipers on and everything. The whole front end's built, cylinder straps on, everything's hooked up now. We had to custom make these tie rods. So, and the steering, so we got the steering rack fabbed in and the tie rod ends made, and now we've got to go from here to the steering shaft that's gonna go through there. It has a detachable steering wheel, which there's the steering wheel. So we're in the process of getting that all. We have to cut it and make it the right length and fab it out. So we'll get that done. And at the same time, we're doing the brake lines, which they were halfway done, and we're finishing them up to now that we got the brake rotors on. So
All right.
after that, everything should roll along pretty quick on the rest of him,
Great.
and we should get this guy out of here soon, I hope.
All right.
Herbie, haven't had a whole lot on him. We're waiting on some parts for him.
Okay.
So that's really it. I think on the way out we can look. I think Mr. Hardin Bug back in here. He got blasted. Did we look at that last week?
Yeah.
Okay. We already looked at it. So his nothing's changed, but he's
Oh,
back
okay.
in there. Yeah, so we already
Still
did
there.
that. He's still there.
That's a good thing.
So.
Awesome.
But,
all right, well, let's come along. Hope you feel
at least
better.
comely, yeah.
You know what to say. Even if you're sick, you got to say it.
Yeah.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
nice
good people.